June 2000. I'm providing you with all the answers, okay? Make sure you have the question paper in front of you. First of all, we have 1 and 1/3 minus 3, 5/6 divided by 5, 1/9. Now, Boardmas tells us that we are going to divide first. So we are going to divide this first, okay? But we are going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5 is 23. Bring that down, so it's 23/6 divided by 9 times 5 is 45 plus 1, that's 46/9. Okay, you bring this down. Now, we are going to, of course, change the sign and invert, okay, or find the reciprocal. So it is 23/6 multiplied by 9/46. We are now going to invert. Okay, in dividing fractions, you're supposed to change the sign and invert the second fraction. Alright, then we are going to cancel. Alright, we are going to cancel. 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 3, 9. 23 into 23, 1. 23 into 46, that's 2. Okay, when you cancel, then you are going to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, yes. Alright, so that's what we have done. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. And you bring down this. You don't work this as yet. Okay, you don't work that as yet. So you now have 1 and 1/3 minus 3/4. Alright, and now we are going to subtract. We can subtract two ways. We can subtract by using this, okay, and finding the LCM and so on, or we can change this into an improper fraction and then subtract. So we're going to change it into improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, that's 4. So it's 4/3. 4/3 minus 3/4. Okay, LCM, we're going to find the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is what? 12. Okay, is 12. So what number multiplied by 3 is going to give me 12? That is 4. So 4 times 4. Yeah, minus what number multiplied by 4 is going to give me 12? That's 3. So we multiply 3 here. 3 times 3. Whatever we multiply down, we multiply up. We multiply by 3, we multiply by 3. Multiply by 4, you multiply by 4. So it's 4 times 4 minus 3 times 3. Okay, and as we go down, you can see now here 4 times 4 is 16 minus 3 times 3 is 9. So 16 minus 9/12. Subtract 9 from 16 to give you 7. So it's 7/12. 7/12 is your answer. Let's look at number 1b. Okay, in looking at number 1b, we're supposed to find the exact value. Okay, we're supposed to find the exact value of this 0.428 multiplied by 2.75. You of course use the calculator, alright, exactly in decimal form. When you multiply these two things, use calculator, you get 1.177. Okay, 1.177 exactly. Then they say to change, you now have to bring it to 2 decimal places. Okay, that same thing here, what you multiply, bring it to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places, you go 1, 2, you go 2 decimal places, so not here, but you start here. You start from after the decimal point. 1, 2, okay, that's 7. Look at the number after it. The number after it is 7, and that number is greater than 5, so you add 1 to that 7. Let's go again. You go here, okay, 2 decimal places. After point 1, 2, you see that 7. That 7, add, go to the next one, okay, go to the next one, add, and you see here that 7 is greater than 5, so add 1 to this one here. Okay, again 1 2 decimal places, go to the next one. If it is greater than 5, add 1 to this 7 here, so it will be 1.18 here, 1.18. so 1.18 to 2 decimal places. And the next one says to 2 significant figures. Okay, so this to 2 significant figures, you have 1 2, you start from the first one, 1 2, you look at the number after it, the number after it is 7 and it's greater than 5, add 1 to that. You see, so it's 1 2, look at the number after it is 7, is greater than 5, add 1 to the 2, so it will be 1.2, just like this. So it is 1.2 to 2 significant figures, 1.2 to 2 significant figures, 1.18 to 2 decimal places, and 1.177 exactly.